Hi guys, I'm back again today with the second part of the invert concert. This has been so good. How do you call it? Like it just puts you in the right mood. This is the first reaction that I'm doing of the day, and I chose to do it first because I feel like it's gonna boost my energy. Because sometimes when I start reactions, I'm just like, my brain hasn't waken up yet. And then when press play, it either puts me to sleep or wakes me up. So I was like, I need to react to something that will bring me life. And we have it. So, anyways, beautiful peeps, I'm excited to hear more songs. And let's go back a bit. Let's get this. Oh, okay. This is probably not them right now. Oh, what are we watching, guys? Okay, taemin, looking fine. Oh, I like the song. The ad libs. I'm gonna goosebumps, guys. Oh, what the fudge is this one? Song, I mean. Rain shower? Yes, I approve of this message. I probably will be putting this on YouTube, this part of the video. If they sing it live, then you'll get both.